If you're avoiding songs with bar chords like I did the first few years that I played ukulele, this video is for you. So grab your ukulele, find the 5th fret. For most of us, it's the 1st fret that's marked, but some of you have the 3rd fret marked. So let's go to the 5th fret. Take your index finger and press down only on A string. String A, the one closest to the floor. Now make sure that's ringing, only that string. Okay, breathe, bring the shoulders down. Okay, good. Now with that same index finger, hold down strings E and A. We're still on the 5th fret, and pick each string individually. Now both should be ringing. This is great because you're already doing a half bar. You could add some more fingers and do a chord, but we're not doing that right now. We're just trying to master the full bar. So now breathe again. Good. And now this time hold down 3 strings with that index finger and pick each string individually. At this point, maybe one of them is buzzing or not really ringing out. So when that happens, I like to wiggle the finger around. Sometimes I move closer to the fret wire. Other times I move further away from it until I find that sweet spot where all 3 strings are ringing. Now relax the hand, breathe again. I like to breathe in and out through the nose. So now we're going to tackle all 4 strings and add just the right amount of pressure. Sometimes we squeeze too hard and that's not good. So it's actually better to start with almost no pressure and just add as little as needed and test each string. If you're finding one is like doing this, it might be fitting right in the crevice of your finger. So if that's the case, look up, roll your finger back like this, look up, roll it this way so that you have a more bony side playing. I believe that was Cynthia Lynn's tip. So go to where you find that. And then once you have all of the strings ringing, go to the 4th fret and do the same exercise, starting only with 1 string, and then 2 strings, then 3 strings, then 4 strings. And find where it is that they ring, and do this until you go to the 1st fret. I promise if you do this for 5 days, your bar chords will be completely transformed.